Hey guys, so today we are going to do a PvP match against my friend. Pal, where are you?
Oh, right here.
Okay, come on. Get a weapon. Get a weapon and we're going to fight.
Alright.
Wait, are you going to use two or one?
What?
How many weapons are you going to use?
I'll use two.
Okay, I'll use two then also, okay?
Alright.
Okay, come on.
Okay, you ready? Ready?
Just give me a second. Let me...
Alright. 3, 2,
Two,
1, go.
one. I'm like literally... Okay, get out of safe zone, bud.
No way. Stop.
Oh, so you're trying to run now, are you? Yes, I win!
No.
Excuse me?
Unless I do this.